2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
Well, after a warm start yesterday morning, a much cooler start today.
This is the coolest morning that we're going to see for a while. The next few mornings won't be quite as cool as we'll have more clouds, and also we're tracking increasing rain.
Yeah, that's right, for the weekend.
Thumbs up to the rain.
Yeah.
I want to show you the low temperatures we saw in Green Country this morning. Tulsa bottomed out at 63 degrees. We saw a lot of 50s, especially north. Bartlesville 55. We also saw 50s into Bixby, South Tulsa County, where it's 59, and 60 degrees this morning in Tahlequah. We're tracking an area, it's kind of a scattered area of showers and thunderstorms. They're slow moving, and they are dropping heavy rain in western Oklahoma. This is out in the western part of the state, south of Woodward. Here's Interstate 40, so we're looking west of Oklahoma City. Now, these are going to slowly make their way eastward toward Oklahoma City, but they're going to weaken as they do so. However, we are seeing a few showers developing in the Oklahoma City metro area now, near Edmond and also near Guthrie. For Green Country, we have less than a 10% rain chance today. We're mainly just going to see a lot of clouds moving on by, but most of us will stay dry. But the rain chances are increasing for the next few days. So some good news for our backyards, hopefully. 85 degrees with those increasing clouds. Windy, south wind at 20 miles an hour. Air still somewhat dry. The air will become more humid the next few days. Low to mid 80s for most of us. Upper 80s, warmer north. Clouds aren't quite as thick toward Bartlesville and Coffeyville. Joplin is nearing 90 this morning. 87 Pryor, lower 80s into southeastern Oklahoma. Norman at 79. Nice south breeze right now, 10 to 20 miles an hour for most of us, and it is going to stay breezy into the afternoon. And also due to the somewhat dry air and increased wind, there are red flag fire warnings. This means an enhanced fire danger for these counties. Of course, all of us have a high fire danger, especially so north of Tulsa near the Kansas state line. Also, you can see for much of Missouri, western Missouri, fire warnings in effect that direction. So for us today, we're kind of in the transition day, gradually becoming more humid and seeing more clouds. Most of the rain today will stay in western Oklahoma. A few things I want you to notice on the Futurecast. If you're driving northeast, you will see more sunshine. This area of white, these are the clouds gradually moving in and thickening throughout the day. So thickening clouds, but the clouds aren't quite thick enough to hold down the temperature, so we'll still see the 90s. Now look what happens overnight tonight. We're going to see a cluster of thunderstorms developing in Kansas. Those thunderstorms will approach central Oklahoma and the Ponca City area. They'll also be gradually weakening as they move toward Green Country in the morning. But as we start to work our way toward the weekend, these rain areas will form closer to us, and it's more likely that we would get some of that good rain by the weekend. So basically, we're just going to be kind of teased with the rain until then. Increasing clouds becoming partly to, well, it's already partly cloudy, becoming mostly cloudy. High of 93 today in Tulsa. The rest of Green Country, warmer north and northeast toward Joplin and Coffeyville. Tonight, the south wind and humidity will hold up temperatures, so not as cool as this morning. Lower 70s in Tulsa and mid to upper 60s around the rest of the county. The 7-day forecast will still reach toward 90 again tomorrow, but notice the rain chances increasing for Friday. Our best bets for rain will be on Saturday and Sunday. We're likely going to see clusters of thunderstorms developing, and you may get rained on several times during the day Saturday. Right now, there's not one part of the day that's more likely than another to get rain. We'll see some areas of rain around Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and we'll likely need to raise those rain chances, and we'll also see cooler highs, 80s, with the clouds and rain around.
Sounds
Looking good.
Yeah.
Thanks.